scraping, grinding of the assembly surfaces. The use of manual scraping and grinding of the assembly surfaces can significantly improve the stability of machine tools. Scrape off the protruding points of the plane to reduce the surface roughness. The number of scraping and grinding points need to check. The more points at each 25 mm square area, the higher the accuracy of the surface. Display ointment is used to display the points, which exceed allowable tolerances on the scraped surface. The purpose of high-precision scraping is to improve the surface quality of the workpiece. When dealing with the precision scraping, the blade edge of the scraper must be frequently grinded. The blade edge should be ground into the circular arc shape. The width of the scratchings should be 3 to 5 mm, and the width of the scratchings should be 3 to 5 mm, and the length should be 3 to 6 mm. The blade should be dropped accurately, and the weight should be controlled according to the size of the dots. The thickness of the display ointment should be evenly applied to avoid false spots and illusions.